Hi everyone, I'm Mom and welcome to Mom Das Life Handmade. Today I'm going to share with you very easy and quick simple little DIYs, and then I'm going to decorate a 3-tier tray in festive holiday colors, predominantly red, white and with some check or plate patterns. Recently in one of my videos I did some Kirkland inspired decor for the Christmas, and I made this beautiful joy sign inspired by Kirkland, and this background that you see here, it's actually a paper bag. I used this paper bag for making this background. And a very sweet friend of mine, a subscriber friend of mine, Corina, she suggested, Mom, can you share some DIYs using this paper bag for the Christmas especially? So that's what I'm going to do. I still have a lot left, so I'm going to share more DIYs using this paper, but today I'm going to use a little of this paper and do a few little more DIYs and then incorporate them along with some of the DIYs that I made in the recent past into decorating my 3-tier tray for the Christmas or the holidays this season. Now I'll put link to all these videos which have all these DIYs that are going to be there in my tier tray in my description box, as well as I'll try to put the links above, and of course you can check my winter and Christmas playlist for all ideas that I have to offer you that I've done so far regarding the winter DIYs, decorations as well as Christmas. I've learned a lot while doing this YouTube. You people taught me a lot, and I have realized that for decorating any space and to make it look really beautiful, you must have a theme, you must have some color scheme in your mind, and then you can go ahead and put some beautiful pieces related to the theme and the color scheme together to make a beautiful decor which looks elegant as well as beautiful. This is the paper bag that I was talking about, and I'm going to cut this paper and use in decor. So I'm using a few items. Number one, I'm going to take these tags. Now whenever we go and buy clothes from some shops or somewhere, we get these tags. There are a number of tags. So I saved some of them which are in good sizes and shapes. So I'm going to use them as the base and decorate it further and make a few tags. So here are the 2 tags I'll be working with, and this is a little strip of the same paper, and I have this beautiful printouts with some gifts for Christmas and a Christmas decorated sleigh. I'm going to tear them and decoupage them. You can even use words instead of using a decoupage. I'm not using the handle of the sleigh because it will be then too big for my tags. So I'm just going to wet it and then tear it. I've explained this process in many videos. When decoupaging, it's better to tear the paper than cut the paper, and if we wet and tear, it will have those irregular edges which look good while decoupaging because it just blends very well with the surface on which we are trying to decoupage. Next, I'm using some Mod Podge and applying it on my print, and I'll glue it onto the tag. Whatever is excess can go at the back, or you can cut it off later. Give an extra coat of Mod Podge on top of your print. This will give it a little shine as well as protect it. Now to give them a little theme and to unify the whole thing, I'm using this paper, and you should have sufficient paper so as to play with the pattern. I think this would look nice. So I'm going to glue this here. and cut off the extra, or you can even wrap it around and go at the back. So here are two tags ready. Now this one has a string. You can keep the same string or preferably use a string depending on where you want to use these tags. Now I can use these tags on mugs to demarcate the name of the person whose mug it is. So I can put a name instead of a print, or I can put a name at the back side of the tag, or I can write the name of the content if I'm adding it to a jar, or if I'm adding it to a gift box, the name of the person who is going to get the gift. So accordingly the tag will be used, and the kind of string that one needs to add here will depend on how you are using this tag. So whatever length or design that you want will go with that particular thing. For the second DIY, I'm using this container. It's nice and clean and in white color. So once I fill it with goodies, it's ready to place on the tier tray or anywhere you want to use it for. So I have cut out a thin strip of the same paper, and I'm just going to wrap it around and close it right in the center like this using some glue. Now once this is done, it's little dull, so I'm taking this yarn because it has this plaid pattern, so it looks very wintry. To maintain that winter feel, I'm using this yarn. This is little slightly chunky 8-ply yarn, and I'm just going to wind it around it and just make a bow in the center to just make it feel more finished. Now one can add some greens or a little bells or anything as embellishment further on this. Another quick DIY, I'm using this box that I have. It's empty box, there's nothing inside, but little gifts look very decorative, and again I'm using the same paper, and I'm going to cover this like a gift pack. Properly cover it like you wrap up a gift. Now the gift is wrapped, and the final step of any gift wrapping is adding some ribbon to it. So I'm adding a white ribbon for a good contrast over this. So here we have a collection, and these, because they look unified because of the same pattern, they look like a collection, and a collection always looks good in a decor. If you're an old friend, a big hi, and if you're a new friend, please look around in my channel, which is about doing lots of DIYs, trash to treasures, high-end dupes, everything related to home within budget. And if you love such content, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video, and do hit the little notification bell so that you're notified each time I post my video. And if you love my content, please share my videos and link to my channel with your friends and family who you think love to be creative, that too within budget. Now before showing the final decor, I want to show you the items that I'm going to use on my tier tray. So this container, you have already seen today's DIY, the container. I'm going to fill it with some goodies before I place it on my tray. These are the tags. I'm going to use them on different things. One in a mug, another in a jar. This is the gift pack that I made. This is a white lid birdie jar. It's in glass, and the top has got a lid with a birdie on it. It's really beautiful, and I'm going to fill this jar with this chocolates in red wrappings. Next, this is an ornament that I made recently. I think I'll be using this also. Then I have these ceramic mugs. Two of them, I'm going to place them. They are again in white, shade of white, so I'm going to use these. Then I have my Mr. and Mrs. Snob. They're so much in love and ready for the festival. Another recent DIY. I'll put a link in the description box for all the DIYs that I've made in my recent past. And here is the red truck sign on a tag, cut and carry. Another Dollar Tree hack DIY. So is this another Dollar Tree hack using the Dollar Tree tags. These two are from Dollar Tree tags, and I made a hack out of these, and these DIYs also I'll put a link. So this sleigh also I'm going to use. Then I have this little toy red truck, not really a truck, it's so I'm going to use this also. Okay, so these are mainly the items that I'll put on my tier tray, along with some fillers maybe, depending on how I feel as I decorate. My today's video is part of the challenge that is being hosted by Sonia from Domestic Diva DIY and Yani and Diane from the channel Deco Easy. So I'm going to put links to both Domestic Diva DIY as well as Deco Easy in the description box of my video, along with the link to the playlist, so that you get more ideas related to tier tray decoration for these holidays. Here is my tier tray. 3-tier tray with gnomes pair on the top. I really love them, and I like the color combination. This is what I was telling you. I learned so much while doing YouTube, and have understood when you want to create something beautiful, just plunge in it and you learn in the process. And I learned that to make a beautiful decor, centerpiece or a tier tray display, you must have a theme. So here the theme is holiday, and the color scheme. So the color scheme is white and red, soft white and red, and plates or checks. So they all tie up together. Little touches of green add to the fall holiday flavor here. I really love this. So on the topmost tier I have my couple, Nom, Mr. and Mrs. Nom. They are really adorable. In the middle tier, I have the gift bag at the back, and this is a container with goodies in front, a little truck in the center, a pine cone, a toy pine tree. My tag stands against the support, and here are some goodies in the birdie jar with another tag in front. Then in the third tier, or the bottommost base tier, I have my mugs and two signs, one red truck and the sleigh at the back. I also have this tray, and my Nom ornament is just next to this mug. I think this looks festive, this looks beautiful, very cheerful, and perfect for the holidays and Christmas. Do let me know your opinion in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and share my channel link and video with your friends and family who would love to watch such content and who like to be creative within budget. I'll see you all soon in my next video. Until then, stay positive, be creative, and be happy. Thank you everyone.